turns here. Still climbing up from Geiranger Fjord. There it is. And we're basically now going to this I think about 1500 meter kind of elevation viewpoint, and that is apparently the Europe's highest fjord viewpoint. So I'll get closer and let you know what the name is of that actual location, but yeah, that's where we're heading towards, and then we'll descend down. And the chap behind me is also doing the same thing, so it made sense to just ride together and make the most of it, you know. The road is a little bit on the wet side of things, so I'm just taking it easy and yeah, being a bit careful on the turns. Especially these turns are actually quite tight. I've just changed the card, the micro storage card on this GoPro, and I've been recording. I was thinking I was recording for the last about 15-20 minutes, and I haven't been. So I don't know which bit got missed, so I'm just going to repeat myself. If it's a repeat, excuse me for that. But we are heading towards the highest road viewpoint for any fjord, and that's about 1,500 meters from the ground. That's the elevation. So lots of twists and turns from that fjord we were at, Geiranger Fjord, to get to that viewpoint. I think that's the only way possibly, but I'm not 100%. Road is still a little bit on the wet side, so I'm a little bit careful on the turns. Just feel a bit nervous at those points. I think the rain is maybe either just stopped or yeah, probably. Oh well, finally got to the snow and ice. That was a thick patch of ice, that was. That's probably why it didn't melt. Oh wow. 1,500 meters up in the sky. That's where we're going to be. interestingly, my hands are still okay. So other days I've had like 12 degrees C and the hands are absolutely freezing. So this is an amazing road actually. Really scenic, look at that. Nearly get there. I think this is the top, and in about 600 meters we would arrive at that viewpoint. Well, first of all, the for motorcycle is 195 Coronas, and the bigger problem is up there because you can't get to see anything because it's all clouds. So unfortunately we're going to have to skip this one. So this would have been a Geiranger Skywalk, it says. So anyway, we'll live the next time. Come here in my next European trip, the Norwegian trip, and then we'll do that. I think it's this way, right? Which way? Which way we came from?
Huh?
This way, right?
This way.
We came from that way, right? Yeah. So unfortunately that was a bit of a disappointment because of the clouds. We're not going to see anything, so no point going up there. Oh man, that would have been worth it. My side he was. Check out this view. Okay, it's clouds and everything else. Yep. That's a nice view. Really nice view. 6 degrees C now. I think that's the coldest it has been throughout my trip so far. Like I said, still my hands are okay. Probably because it's not raining and it's not getting frozen by the wind. And I haven't got my heated grips on either, so yeah, it's a bit odd one actually. And I say it's not raining, but it's just trying to rain, not really raining. just getting ready for their hikes or something. Oh wow. Just clear this camera just in case you can't see the view. It is phenomenal. Very nice. This has been all part of the plan. None of my routes has been out of the fluke. Everything has been planned and I'm just following the route exactly how I planned it. So we're coming down from the viewpoint and there's a massive tunnel actually we're following. Most probably it's not raining here anymore. Completely dry, is it? No, a little bit of rain. I'm happy to see slightly drier roads. We are on 8% descent here. This is a Citroen, is it? degrees Celsius now. My young German friend is still there, coming behind us. He's telling me that he's wild camping, so let's see if it's going to be a campsite or a wild camp tonight. Let's see. Okay, so we basically ended up camping on this site for the night. So I'd like to just end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's how the day ended basically. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and keep watching the videos. Continue to look for the new vlogs, because things are getting a little bit more interesting now. Okay, see you tomorrow.